What's going on, everyone? Sovereign Jarg Juan, and we've got a full display box of Ghosts from the Past 2, Second Haunting. So let's take a gander and see what kind of luck we've got today. High Paladin, Flint Krager, Sky Cavalier, False Fusion, DD Lamia. In case you're wondering why I've already got these out of the boxes, is to just save viewing time, and so we can get right down to the nitty gritty. That's what I try to do. Rookie Warrior Lady, Ghostrick Spectre, Majesty Hyperion, Jade Mystery Earth, and Victorica, Angel of Bravery. Let's see. Cards that I do know that I do need. These two. Krager for my fossils, and DD Lamia. The DDDs. At some point, I'll be able to get that one finished. Vision Hero, Code Generator, Ryza, Redbeard, and a Yazi. Perfect. Alright. Final pack of box 1. See what we got. Sandwich, Generator Boss Stage, Shell Knight, number 60, Vampire Takeover. Alright. Box number 2. Vampire Grace, which I do want, Despian Comedy, Dark Magician the Dragon Knight, DDD, Duo King Kali Yuga, Fossil Fusion again. Tech Rampage, Promathmech Laplacian, Vision Hero, Lefic Cyber End, Codex Porter. Let's see. Sign of Conflict, Domain of the Monarchs, Protector of the Agent's Moon, DDD Necroslime, and Thunder Patrol Ship Brand. Alright. Pack 4 of box 2. Crimson Vampire Knight Braum, Glow Up Bloom, False Machine Skull Convoy, Chorus in the Sky, and Agent of Entropy Uranus. Alright. Box 3. Now, I do have 3 more boxes on the way, so you will be getting more of this. Necro Word Banshee, Strict Jiangshi, Venus, Savant Copernicus. There's definitely one I was after. Odd Eyes Rebellion Dragon Overlord, Mystic Shineball, Infernity Sage. Heavenly Dragon Circle, Despia Theater, Master Flare Hyperion, Red Eye Zombie Necro Dragon, and Thunder Patrol Shipyard. Or Shipyard. Sorry. Alright. Number 38, perfect. Baxia, Chaos Gruffer, Fortress Dragon, and Tenyu Spirit Adhara. Alright. Box 4. Alright. Ashuna again. Laraje, the God of Archery. Another Master Flare Hyperion. Age of Entropy. And Motor Shell. Alright. Tenyu Spirit. Vampire Kingdom. Number 97. Cyber End. Ghostrick Lantern. Advanced Ritual Art, So Cute Boss, Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon, perfect, Vector Sword, and Rose Spectre of Dune. Alright. Let's see, Quintet Magician, Math Mech Edition, Outburst Dragon, Vampire Sucker, Tenyu Spirit Vishuddha. Alright. Pack 1 of the final box in this display. Tatsunekro, Bluebeard, DDD Vice King Requiem, Contract with the Void, Undership Patrol Brannigan. Sanctuary in the Sky, Nine Pillars of the Yang Zing, Ferris, Mecha Phantom Beast Colt Wing, and Vampire Domination. Alright, 2 more packs left. So you guys let me know in the comments, do you want me to do each display box individually, or you want them all done at once? Number 60 again, and Vampire Takeover. Last pack, can we luck out and get a Ghost Rare? I did get a Ghost Rare in the last time I bought 3 displays of the original one. I do have a Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon. And nope, DD Lamian. No Ghost Rare this round, so see you guys all next time.